Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 settings app not opening or crashes. First method is type settings in Windows search bar, right click settings, click app settings. Click repair. Type settings in Windows search bar, right click settings, click app settings. Click reset. Second method is press Ctrl Alt and Delete keys, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Third method is press Ctrl Alt and Delete keys, click Task Manager. Click File, click Run New Task, type PowerShell, check Create this task with administrative privileges. Copy first command from description and paste it. Copy second command from description and paste it. Exit and restart system. Fourth method is open any browser, type Windows 11 download in browser search bar. Click Download Windows 11. Click Download now. Open download file. Click Accept. Select ISO file, click Next. Check Install Windows 11 and keep personal files and apps, click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.